Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Basso. I want to welcome you to the very first tip in a new series called In Your Corner. This series is all about sharing quick, practical strategies you can actually use right away. No complicated systems, no extra prep, just small shifts that make a real difference. Because every teacher deserves someone in their corner. And today, I want that to be me. Our first tip is called The Power of the Reset. January, or really any point in the year, is the perfect time to remember this. Both teachers and students benefit from a fresh start. After breaks, long stretches of routines, or even just a tough week, behavior doesn't improve because we push harder. It improves when we reset expectations, reconnect, and reteach what success looks like. Here's why this works. Students crave structure, but they also crave belonging. A reset sends a powerful message. You're not stuck in yesterday. I believe you can do better, and I'm here to help. When we reset intentionally, we reduce power struggles, rebuild trust, and create calmer classrooms. Here's how to try this tomorrow in 3 simple steps. First, name the reset. Say something like, we're pressing the reset button today so we can make the rest of our year strong. Second, revisit just 2 or 3 key routines. Model them again like it's the first week of school. Let students practice. Praise what you want to see. And third, and most important, celebrate growth and set a shared goal. Ask students what they want to do better as a class moving forward. When students help create the goal, they're more likely to buy in. As a bonus, consider adding a simple visual to your classroom, something like fresh starts happen here. It's a small reminder that mistakes are part of learning and that this classroom is a place for growth. This is just the first tip in the In Your Corner series. Each month, I'll be sharing one quick strategy to help you respond with calm, connection, and clarity. Thank you for everything you do. And remember, you're not alone. I'm in your corner.